I think this is very important. Gikan pa ko sa bangko karon kana behind me. It's ICBC Bank. Doon rin sa Lee Hostel, the place where I'm staying. And bago pa ko exchange og currency, sakto gid ay dili ka exchange og pesos dire. So dapat naka US dollars ready para exchange sila. Nindot kay ang bangko. Well, actually what really made it really cool was first time pa nako nakakita og gold bar. It's really thick. Sa kilid sa ilang counters. They have four tellers. And it's a little dark. They have 4 tellers and duha. Well, as I got inside the bank, na sa right side na mag-screen sa ilang mga money nga ilang pwede ma-exchange. So wala ko nakita nga peso dito. So US dollars kana mga big currencies. I think euro pwede sila euro. But I would advise kung you come from a country nga not belonging to these big countries, buy US dollars first or euros first so that maka-exchange mo diri sa bank. There are no black markets here like pareha sa ato sa Pilipinas nga pwede ra ka maka-exchange og money almost bisag asa. But here it has to be from a bank. So pagsulod ako sa bank, good the guard doesn't speak English pero nasa sila customer service nga maka-speak og English, and nasa sila supervisor or manager who speaks in English sa gawa sa counter. So pagsulod nako, I just showed to the guard a US dollar bill, $100 bill, and then gitawag niya ang sa babae. So the babae told me nga dugay ang processing. Anako, unsa ka dugay? Niya siya ana ko mga 30 minutes to 1 hour, and maybe 1 hour. So I'm willing to wait. Kaya naman siya if you're not willing to wait, ato lang sa Picas Bank. I was willing to wait. So actually, modding nga na siya siya mo fill out some mga forms for us. So basically you'll need your passport with you and the address of the hotel or hostel where you're staying. So she filled it out for me. Mga dindot mayroon sila og batasan. They are very helpful. Even if not all of them speak English, ang mga Chinese, they are always willing to help. The problem is ang language barrier again. So then she filled it out for me, and then she photocopied my passport. Nalangan lang siya fill out, gagalibog sila sa atong style nga first last name, first name, and then middle name. So it took her a while. I also had to give her my address of residence sa Philippines. So galibog sa kay may pagka-Spanish pa ng ato address, ang address. So he said, "Can you translate it to English?" He go, "No, that's my exact address." So I just spelled it out for her. So she was kind enough to also just follow the address that I gave to her. So moto, she gave me like a priority number. So I just waited like for a few minutes, like 2 minutes. Ako na kay buntag man ron sa China. It's like it's 10, 15, 20 here. So dali lang processing. And ang mga tao lang sa teller sa counter dili kayo wala kibawog English nila. So when the process was almost done, I was wondering anong gitawag ko lang manager. Actually, the manager is instructing me to sign to put my signature. Okay, more dahil lang gilibugan ang signature kung saan pag-explain sa ko. So then gi-exchange lang ang currency to yuan, Chinese yuan. So now I'm ready for the Great Wall. So again, di sila mo daw pesos dire. So buy US dollars first di sa Pilipinas or wherever country you're coming from. Advice is US dollars, get a little good exchange rate, and I think that's it. So very quick processing, except for the filling out of the forms. So I'll insert the forms. This is the form. I'll be inserting there. That's it. So thank you for watching. I hope that helped a little bit.